Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert image inside a triangle shape in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to insert the triangle shape inside image. Go to the insert menu, select the picture option, then choose this device. Then choose your picture from your file. Now I am select the image and click insert. Now we can see we insert a image in Excel workbook. Then go to the home menu and select the cart option. Then again go back the insert menu, select shape and choose the triangle shape. Now I am select the triangle. Then draw the triangle in this sheet. Then go to the shape format menu, choose format shape option. Then select the picture or texture fill and select the clipboard option. We can see we paste the cutted picture. Now you want to crop the picture, go to the picture format menu, select the crop option and crop the picture. Then click outside. Now we can see we insert image inside a triangle shape very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.